Right, today has been quite interesting, but not very predictable, or at least not in the way we hoped it would be. We have removed the rubble, which was on top of this side, the east side of the trench, and we were hoping that it would come down onto a nice surface. We were expecting the rubble with a mortar matrix to be sort of 10-15 centimetres deep and then come down onto a nice red layer, which is what we've done. But what we weren't expecting was cobbles on top of this red layer, because on the other side of the rubber trench, with the cobbles that we exposed last year, we had rubble, then we had a thin red layer, and then we had the cobbles, and those cobbles are set into a hard red mortary layer. And what we seem to have done is completely bypassed the thin red layer that would be on top of the cobbles, and we haven't got any evidence of the cobbles coming up. We've just got this jagged edge right in the corner of our trench, which it's quite it's not what we were expecting. But on the other side, we've got another surface, which is very positive news, and we're quite happy. We've had a little fertile into the corner here, and these cobbles are set into this red layer. So we're happy that we have reached the surface here. It's just that half of it seems to be missing. So we're thinking about now what our next step is, whether we want to extend the trench or whether we want to just concentrate on this rubble layer and see if the cobbles come out and come along that edge. Because what we have is the rubber trench is at a slight angle to the edge of our trench, and so we could, although we've just clipped it on this side, the line could be following the rubber trench and actually be coming out that way, and so we'll be able to see them more in that side. But yeah, not much we found in the rubble apart from very angular stones with mortar on, lots of mortar, but very little apart from a few snail shells and things like that. So hard work, a lot of big stones to shift on a very hot day, but I think it's been worth it considering we've got down onto this surface by the end of the day, and yeah, lots more questions to be answered.